Hello, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can create some shiny light rays in Cinema 4D, the program that you use to do 3D modeling. But you also can apply some lights, some light rays that you can put for your videos or maybe for your artworks as well. So let's create a light by holding the left click button and then head over to target light, just like so. And then two objects are now created: the light and the point where the light shines onto. So let's do some tweaks, maybe by positioning the target, the point where the light shines onto, and maybe put the light just under the point, so it looks like this. You can also do some resizing by holding on, clicking on the scale tool, and then you're just able to do some tweaks with the size or anything, just like so. And then you can you also want to decrease the outer angle so that it will look like the light will form this will make this ray effect, just like that. And then we can also put some lens effects so that when the camera shines in, the camera is facing the source of the light, there will be this glowing effects produced by the source of the light. So let's say if we want to do some this kind of effect, which is the artifact effect, just like this. And also you need to enable the visible light to volumetric, so that there's this light that travels within the volume of the light within this area. So if we if we show the source of the light, and if we do some render preview by holding the control and the R keys on the keyboard, ooh yeah, that's the rays that I want to see. That's looking good. And then if we do it like this, ooh, fancy. Now all we have to do is to let's say increase the outer distance so that the light will be really thick now. Oh yeah, it's looking really thick. And we also can increase the intensity to, let's say, this. And then when we do it like this, ooh, it's really okay. It's really bright now. So maybe increase the size to, let's say, 500. That's too bright. 200. All right, that's the light that I want to see. So we can move on now by merging these by clicking on group objects. Right click on these two selected objects, and then head over to group objects, just like this. And then we can just copy and paste. Click on the move tool to move the light, just like this. Oh, cool. Now we have some rays, just like this. Oh, okay. That's actually too far. Just going to place it close to each other like this. Oh yeah, looking cool now. Then if we do some more of this, we can just copy them all and then paste them all, just like so. We can select these objects, and then we can just group them all and place it just like this, for example. And then do some tweaks by adding some more, just like so. Then if we do another render preview, oh yeah, that's the light ray effects that I want to see actually. Let's reposition the light so that it looks much closer. And all right, that's so cool. That's really nice actually. So Hold on, let me do some other tweaks. No, actually, I want to start from the very beginning, and I want to like do another positioning for the grouped objects, so that the lights will look more glowing, just like this. And then we can just group these null objects, and then by clicking here, and then we can just copy it just like this. And then if we do another preview by holding the Control and the R keys on the keyboard. Alright, that's the light rays that I really want to see. If we do another view, then oh yeah, that's looking really cool. From another angle, it will look like this. Oh yeah, that's the streak that I really want to see from the lights that we created. Just like so. Alright. From another angle, it will look like this. And it's looking really, really shiny. Alright, that's how you can make a really shiny light rays in Cinema 4D. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But from me, it's good day. Ciao! Ooh, that's really shiny. I want to do some more of this.